This is a scene from my model railroad showing an old house. Looks like the resident is leaving to go shopping, taking her beat up car. She has another car in this matchbox, vintage matchbox garage. Across the street, people are going to work in these Victorian houses. The residence is at the top of the stairs with the child at the foot of the stairs. And this man is obviously going to go to work. 3 Victorian houses that are next to a polluted river. There's a barrel laying in the water and other debris. Scene from my model railroad. Thanks for viewing.